Hello everyone, my name is Nika and I'm from IULI Hotel Tourism Management 2019. In this video, I would like to share about traditional food from Indonesia, since Indonesia has a various food from its province. Like the one I want to share with you, the first one is rawon, the second one is wedang angsle. Hope you like it and enjoy the video! In Malang, rawon is the famous traditional dish that has a unique appearance other than Indonesian dish. Rawon is a soup that's famous for its black color, as it is made with a seed type called kluwak in Java or kepayang in Indonesia. Rawon is the one of the oldest dishes of ancient Java. It's called rarawan. Rawon already exists since ancient Javanese taji from the era of the Mataram Kingdom. Not like the other soup, rawon offers rich ingredients and extreme appearance. Well, maybe some people will doubt about its taste when they focus to its color. But rawon offers a great taste with a fresh beef meat, served along with rice plus another side dish such as salty egg, crackers, and chili sauce that makes rawon a perfect dish for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The rich taste of a rawon came from the following ingredients such as garlic, shallot, ginger, candlenut, turmeric, and kluwak. This is rawon, and I will eat this with slice of beef, and there's a rice too here. Usually Indonesian people love soup, and they eat it with crackers, and the side dish is salty egg, tofu, and tempe in Indonesia. So now I want to taste it. Delicious. You must try this. Wedang angsle is a traditional food from Malang. The drink called angsle is known as a body warmer drink. Why angsle is called a body warmer drink? Because in Malang the climate is cold for some area. Therefore, enjoying a variety of warm dishes will be very suitable choice when the temperature cold. Wedang is the name from Javanese. Wedang refers to a drink that is brewed with hot water and usually can warm the body. Angsle is made from a mixture of coconut milk and various other sweet ingredients. Usually, wedang angsle serves only at night. Wedang angsle broth is made from a mixture of pandan leaves, vanilla, and coconut milk. Unlike wedang ronde, angsle does not use a lot of ginger as a mixture of ingredients because it will change the sweet taste of coconut milk. Okay, now I want to taste this wedang angsle. There are petulo here. It's called putu mayang, and there are pearls here, and with nuts, and there are also a slice of coconut here, and a green bean, and this one is bread also. So if you want to search for warm drink for your throats or entire body, you must drink this. Okay, let's try. Delicious. The taste of ginger, it's not too strong, but more sweet other than wenang ronde, the other one. And yeah, it's really good. You must try it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and goodbye.